Hey guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. It's just on this, super natural everyday look that I have on right now. No, I'm totally kidding. Okay, so I have this super crazy bold makeup look. It's like a warm tone slash cool tone cut crease, and I'm obsessed with it. You guys know you don't come to me for no natural looks because I don't know how to do those. If I can pack 20 different neon colors on my eyes, I totally will. So if you guys like this look, make sure that you keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe while you're at it. Okay guys, so I already have my eyebrows down and I already did one eye, so I'm just going to show you guys how I did it by recreating it on my other eye. For this look, I used the James Charles X Morphe palette because, like, what other palette do I use? I use this literally for every look, and I'm not even sorry about it. Come on. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking this red shade, which I believe is called You're Kidding, and I'm going to be packing that into my crease. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can get a better look at what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and dip into that same color and blend it out a bit. Now that you got the first color down, I'm going to go in with the orange shade, the bright orange right there, and I'm going to blend out the crease with that. So I'm just going to dip into that. I haven't posted in literally such a long time, and I really want to be more active on YouTube, but I've just been so, I don't even know, I've been really busy with school and work and co-op, and I've just been really, I don't know, feeling really weird and stressed lately, and I haven't been able to post as much. And I'm also really sick. I feel like I'm just literally telling you guys I'm sick every time I'm filming, but I'm sick right now. So if I sound a little weird, that is why. That's basically all for the crease. So we just have a little red to orange gradient. I'm just gonna deepen up the red a little more because it kind of got lost with the orange. So next, I'm going to go in and create the cut crease. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. The easiest way to do this is just to follow your natural lid and trace it with concealer. Now that that's set, I'm going to start doing the cool tone kind of crease, get a little fire and ice moment in there. I don't know. I don't really know what I was going for with this look, but I just love using colors. If you guys know, there's never any really natural looks on this channel because I love playing with color. I don't know, it's so much fun. I can't do a brown smoky eye. I feel so boring. I just need 25,000 colors on my eyelid. Who says you can't have 13 different neon colors on your eye? Why not? Go for it. So for the crease, I'm going to be going into this little darkish medium blue color and get that on a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to pack this on the lid. Really want to start vlogging and doing more videos with friends and kind of just showing you guys more about my life rather than just doing a bunch of sit down videos kind of thing. So I don't know, tell me if you guys would be interested in me doing more videos of me going out and just seeing what I do in my life and meeting more of my friends and me doing more of videos and collabs with my friends. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Okay, so once we have the eyeshadow all packed, I'm just gonna keep blending it over the whole thing. With that wet set brush, I'm going to go into this baby blue shimmery color and focus this on the inner corner of the crease. Whenever I film makeup tutorials, I really don't know what to talk about with you guys because I'm just kind of explaining what I'm doing and I'm really focused on the look. So I don't know, that's why I want to try to branch out and do like different types of looks, different types of videos, and just like let you guys in on my life a little more. But yeah, I'm just trying to come out with a lot of different content this year, and I really want to be more active on this channel. I don't know, but it's like I said, it's really hard because I'm still in school and everything, but I'm gonna do my best because I genuinely have like a really fun time filming, and like I love when people like tell me they watch my videos and they say they like them and whatever. So I'm really gonna try to be on that like grind of like getting things up for you guys. So I'm just gonna go back into that first medium blue and deepen up this crease a little because it got a little patchy. I don't know what's going on there. So I'm gonna go back in with the orange color and to start to blend out the edge and blend this into it. And I'm gonna go back in with the red next and just pack it in the outer corner and blend it out a bit, just to blend that crease into the outer color. Okay, so the way my voice is sounding is really annoying me. Like, I always have to film when I'm sick for some reason. I don't know. But anyways, I put on some lashes and some eyeliner, and these lashes are super dramatic, but I thought it looked cute with the look, so whatever. Now I'm gonna go on and do my face, and for the foundation I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Nude. I really love this foundation. It's so pretty. It looks so flawless on your skin. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. Everyone's always like, what are you wearing? And I don't know, I've heard a lot of mixed things about this foundation. I've heard some people hate it, some people love it. I don't know, but I personally really like it. It looks really natural, but it also gives you that like really full coverage. Actually, it's not really full coverage, it's like a medium, but it's definitely buildable. And I like to apply this with a beauty blender. So now the foundation's done, I want to show you. It's just so glowy and so pretty, and it just makes you look like you have a filter on your face. I don't really know, but I love it and it looks so cute. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is so bomb too. Too Faced's whole face line is just so good. I don't know. Like, I was always really skeptical because I don't really love their eyeshadows, if I'm being completely honest. They're just not, I don't know, not the greatest in my opinion. But this concealer and this foundation is pretty bomb. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. And I like to focus this on all the high points of my face. Okay, now that the face is done, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier setting powder and just set my face. I usually like to set my face with a fluffy blending brush because I don't want my face to look too matte, just so everything stays down. And I'm going to do my under eyes last because I'm going to try to get more powder on them just so they don't crease. I haven't really been into baking my under eyes as much during the winter because my skin has been super dry and the baking does not help in the winter. So I'm just lightly dusting this. And don't forget to set your neck because you gotta blend that foundation down and you don't want it getting all over your clothes, so always remember to set your neck. Okay, now that my face is fully set, I'm gonna go back in and finish my eyes by doing my bottom what is it called, bottom lash line. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna be going back into my James palette, and I'm thinking I really want to do the blue underneath my eyes just to like make it pop even more, because you can see a lot of the orange and red that I used, but the blue kind of gets lost with the lashes and everything. So I think I'm gonna go back to that medium blue color and smoke it out on the bottom lash line because I feel like that's just gonna be a look. And then I'm also gonna go back in with that baby blue and use it as an inner corner highlight because it's just cute and it will just go with the look. Okay, and that looks so bomb. You guys, some of you guys are probably thinking I'm crazy, like why does this girl have 30 different colors on her eyes? But I live for these looks. They're not really so much for every day, but I have a lot of fun doing them. so why not? Like, they're cute or whatever. Next, I'm going to be using the Anastasia powdered contour kit. I've literally been in love with this palette. Oh my god. The first day I got it and I tried it out and I hated it, but I gave it a second chance and now I've really just been like loving it. I don't really know what I was doing wrong the first time. This is as like my transition color to the contour. I recently learned from one of the girls that I do co-op with that to get like a cute contour you should always do like a transition shade, which is more of like an orangey or red tone shade depending on your skin tone, and then you go in after with a more ashy color just to really like add that shadow to your face. So I'm just going to be doing that. Oh my god, my hair is going everywhere. I recently dyed my hair black. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like it's already like fading back to brown. My hair always fades. I don't know why. I'm gonna dye it black again just to make it even darker. But I don't know if I'm just being crazy, but I feel like it doesn't even look as black as it did when I first dyed it. I don't know. And that was only like a couple weeks ago, so I don't think it should be fading. And go into this ashy color and kind of pinch it. And I'm going to apply this right where my cheekbone is, just to give it that like shadow effect. And now I'm going to be doing my nose contour, so I just have a little angled eyeshadow brush. I feel like this works best, and I'm going to go in with the ashy color because you don't want your nose to look orange. You just want to mimic like shadows of a smaller nose. So I'm just going to go in with that color, and I'm really going to just follow the bridge of my nose. The goal is just to look like you can't even breathe. Your nose is so small. I literally like hate my nose. I have ever since I was little. I feel like it's so big, and it's probably just because I'm Italian, like it's an Italian thing. But yeah, we just contour the shit out of this every day so it looks a little smaller. And then this looks really intense obviously, so I'm just going to blend this out until it looks a little more natural. Now I know that still looks really intense, but now I'm going to go in with some baking powder and clean up all my contour, and it's really just going to clean everything up, and it's going to make the nose a little more intense. I mean a little more less intense. It's like a little DIY nose job. I don't know. Okay. So for my cheek contour, I just cut it just to make it really sharp and clean. For the nose, I like to go in with a mini beauty blender just to be really precise and get it how I want it. So I just go on the edges really precisely where I contoured, and then bring it down a little. I'm just basically tracing where I contoured so it doesn't lose the shape, but we don't have any shadows where we don't want them. And then I go down the bridge of the nose just to add that highlight. And now you just let your little DIY nose job cook for a little. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait like a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe this off, and I'll be right back to finish the rest of my face. But I'm just gonna wipe off my contour bake right now on my cheeks. I'm gonna let my nose sit a little bit longer because I like a more, I don't know, like more intense bake on my nose. Like I said, we gotta get that DIY nose job right, or else it's just not gonna look good. Okay, and we're back. I think my nose is done baking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that off. So now I'm going to go in with setting spray and just spray my face before I do my highlight, just to get a more intense glow. So I'm just going to move my hair and just let it dry a little. Now I'm going to go in with my Amazing highlighter. Oh my god, guys, I literally just ordered this, and this has been being hyped for like over a year now, and I never had it. And I was always like jealous because everyone's skin looked so nice with it on. And highlighters usually don't show up on me from the front. It's usually just the side. Like I've never found one that really just gives you that like really pretty glow. This, oh my god, guys, if you don't have one and you're looking for a highlighter, go out and buy this. It's totally worth it. The packaging, okay, first of all, the packaging is so freaking cute, and you just look like a freaking, I don't even know, you look so nice with this on. It's literally some magic up in here. Just like look at this. And it has a mirror and everything. Like what? It's so cute. It's so good. Let me just show you. I'm just gonna swirl my brush around in here a lot because I like a dramatic highlight. And do you see that? That's a little too much there, but it's okay. Yeah. And then I'm also gonna take this on the inner corner and my brow bone just to like tie the whole look together. Okay, and the last step I'm gonna do is lips. So I'm obviously gonna go with a really like nude subtle lip because this look is a little freaking bold. But I'm gonna be taking my MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. This is my favorite one, use it like every day. And now that I have that outlined a little bit, I'm going to go in with this Tarte lipstick, little mini lipstick, super cute. It's called Beach Babe, and it's just a really pretty nude, and I'm going to go over my lips with that. Okay, cute. Yeah, so that is it for today's look and video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the look and decide to recreate it, don't forget to send me pictures. All my social media will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Yeah.